Bonjour, the French Master GH here. You're welcome to another brand new lesson. In this video, we are going to talk about family. Okay, family in French. La famille. La famille. As you all know, we have two different types of family. We have the extended family and then the nuclear family. In this video, we are going to focus on the nuclear family. So family in French is la famille, la famille, la famille. And nuclear family is la famille nucléaire, la famille nucléaire. So we know that in the nuclear family, we have the father, the mother, and the children, right? Okay, so we start with the parents. The father and the mother are the parents and the children. And our children, we have brother and sister. Okay, so let's get started.
The French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH.
TheFrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.
Father in French is le père, the father, le père. But if you want to say my father, you say mon père, mon père. I'll give an example. Mon père s'appelle Monsieur Fiati Comlan. Okay, so I hope you can also make a sentence using your father's name. Mon père s'appelle, and you mention your father's name. Okay, we move to the mother. Mother in French is la mère, la mère. La mère means the mother. Okay, the mother. If you want to say my mother, you say ma mère. For father, mon père. For mother, ma mère. So, example, ma mère s'appelle Vaida. Ma mère s'appelle Madame Vaida. So, I guess you get a meaning of the sentence. Okay, now, mon père et ma mère sont mes parents. Mon père et ma mère sont mes parents. My father and my mother are my parents. So parents in French is parents. Les parents. The parents. Les parents. But if you want to say my parents, you say mes parents. Mes parents. Okay? So if I want to say my parents are Mr. and Mrs. Fiati, example. Okay, I'll say mes parents sont Madame et Monsieur Fiati. Mes parents sont Madame et Monsieur Fiati. My parents are Mr. and Mrs. Fiati. Okay, so let's move to children. Joseph et Célestine sont les enfants de Madame et Monsieur Fiati. Joseph et Célestine sont les enfants de Madame et Monsieur Fiati. So, enfant is children, right? So, les enfants is the children. So, if you are a parent, you say mes enfants, my children. So, mes enfants sont Célestine et Joseph. Bonjour, je m'appelle Elvis Fiati, je suis marié, ma femme s'appelle Vaida. J'ai 3 enfants. Le premier enfant s'appelle Kwame. So under children, we have brother and sister. So brother in French is le frère. The brother is le frère. Le frère. So if I want to say my brother, I'll say mon frère. Exemple, mon frère s'appelle Joseph. Mon frère s'appelle Elvis. Okay? Sister in French is la sœur, la sœur. So if I want to say my sister, I'll say ma sœur, ma sœur. Ma sœur s'appelle Célestine. Okay? Merci beaucoup. We come to the end of this lesson. This lesson, we learn about the nuclear family in French, la famille nucléaire. We talk about the father, mon père, ma mère, mes parents, les enfants, mes enfants, mon frère, ma sœur. See you in the next lesson.